Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening the RAW or converting your layer to a smart object so you can work non-destructively. Set a neutral white balance and nudge exposure and contrast just enough to preserve highlights and shadows. This gives you headroom. Once that base is stable, add a curves and a levels adjustment layer. These are your primary control points. Make small, visible changes to midtones and the black point because subtle shifts preserve detail and let later local edits read naturally. Now you handle local lighting. Create a 50% gray layer set to overlay and paint with white to dodge, black to burn. This gives smooth, reversible control. Make masks or use gradient fills to target faces, skies, and foregrounds. Feather masks to avoid hard edges. If one region needs tonal coherence, open the layer in Camera Raw Filter for consistent global adjustments. Once done, check transitions. Blend using reduced opacity or low-flow brush strokes to keep lighting believable and natural. Finish by balancing color and micro-contrast. Use selective color or HSL to correct any hue shifts caused by dodging and burning. This preserves skin tones. For subtle sharpening, duplicate, apply high pass at 1 to 3 px and set to soft light, then mask where needed. Make sure to toggle before and after frequently. If you see clipping, reduce exposure or pull midtones with curves. If color casts persist, apply a subtle split tone or use a sampled color balance layer to neutralize problem areas.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.